Leaving platform 3, we cross to the up slow line. Hawley. Salfords. At Earlswood we see engineers' trains occupying the fast lines. We pass through Redhill on the up-through line. Holmthorpe and the sand siding, from which glass sand was sent in trainloads to Pilkington's at St Helens. Merstham. Merstham Tunnel. Starbridge Signal Box. Coulsdon South. Looking across to Coulsdon North Station, closed but not yet demolished. At Stoats Nest Junction we cross to the fast line. Purley. Purley Oaks. South Croydon. East Croydon hasn't been rebuilt yet. We pass through platform 2 and cross back to the slow line. Re-signalling seems to be in progress. Cottage Junction. We wait to follow a train from West Croydon. Selhurst. Norbury. Streatham Common. Streatham North Junction. Balham had more crossovers then than it has today. Wandsworth Common. We're signalled into Clapham Junction's platform 16, the way to the West London line. A glimpse of A box on its bridge, contrasting with the block housing the new Victoria Signalling Centre. Under the main lines, to Latchmere Junction, where the Great Western style signal box has already gone. Passing a Class 47 on an interregional, we come to Battersea Railway Bridge across the Thames. Imperial Wharf Station would be built here. Remains of Chelsea and Fulham Station, then Chelsea FC's new stand almost above us. West Brompton now has platforms here. Underground's battery locos at Lillie Bridge Depot. We pass Kensington Olympia on the through line. Below the A40 Westway. At North Pole Junction, we cross to the spur down to the Great Western Main Line. This connection was lost when the Eurostar depot was built. We emerge past Old Oak Common Power Box onto the Down Main Line. Ealing Broadway, West Ealing, Hanwell, Southall. We cross to the relief line. One HST has been stopped for us to get out of the way of another. As film was getting low, a lot is now missed out. Slough, Sonning Cutting.